Hi there. Today, how to replace old tired seats and fixing up new ones. And that's easily done. And easier said than done. These were very tired. I got a couple of used but not abused seats on eBay. Rear and front ones were separate. You can see that they are pretty okay, worn, but they have definitely some marks. I used some liquid leather to fix the smaller imperfections, but before that, the bigger imperfections I cured by using a heat gun, a cold piece of steel plate, and heated it, cooled it, and got the leather shrunk back into place. And then later on, I was able to use the liquid leather to fill in the small little wear gaps, and then I used leather dye to get it to the color, the interior color of the car. And here it was the Brazil brown that came with the Benz. This one was a 300 SDA, and you can see in the moment the fabulous result of refurbishing old retired seats and get them back into shape. And I'm sure you have many of the same issues with your seats. Make sure that you tape off all the stuff that you don't want painted, because this dye is going to stick and it's not coming off. And yes, I used the white seats and used this dark dye to get it back into shape. And here is the final result. You can see there there are a couple of creases left, not too many, but overall it is awesome how well it turned out. Got them reinstalled in the car later, and the recipient of the car was very, very happy. Look, the seats look fabulous for years worthwhile of service. The leather dye is used on everything, including the plastic molding. You can even use it on carpet, and yeah, well, you see the results definitely are cool looking. Happy wrenching from Stray Benzes, and until next time, good luck.